So if you want to cancel an order and refund on Temu, what you're going to do is open up Temu. So just open it up and log into your Temu account. Once you've logged in, so click on your U tab here. So click on U, and from there select your orders, and from here locate the order that you want to cancel. So for example, this one here, I'm going to click on it, and then here scroll down and you will see there is an option called cancel items. What you're going to do is click on cancel items. Okay, and then if your order has multiple items, select the one that you particularly want to cancel, or just select all if you want to cancel everything, and then select a reason why you want to cancel it. So just select it, select a reason, and then it's going to ask you whether you want to continue. So just click on continue to cancel, and then here choose the refund method, whether how do you want to refund it. So mostly you can just choose the original payment method by which you paid for it. So just select that and hit on submit, and it's going to ask you for final confirmation. Click on confirm, and it's going to ask you for that this can't be undone. If you want to, are you sure you want to cancel it, just click yes, and that's it. Your order will be now cancelled, and there you go. And your refund, which has been processed already, like they have initiated your refund process. So your refund will be sent to your original payment method as well, and your order has now been cancelled. So you just have to wait for it to arrive, and that's basically pretty much it is.